Nature. It is all around us. It is inside of us. It is the core of our being. Yet we treat it as something disposable, something created to serve us, something that is separate from us. Every minute we cut down 2,400 trees, dump over 2 garbage trucks of plastic in the ocean, and kill 1,927,493 animals for human consumption. We have lost touch with who we are, and that is devastating. Global warming, deforestation, animal extinction, these are just a few examples of what we have caused over the last few decades. The scales are tipping, so it is time we go back to our roots. We are part of nature. It is in our genes to crave balance on the planet. Being in nature reduces our stress levels, resets our bodily functions, and boosts our immune system. Mother Nature still nurtures us even though we've hurt her so. She gives us clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, and crops to eat. So now it's time for us to give back. Green Serenity is part of the global movement striving for a greener planet. We create videos to educate and show you what you can do to make this world a better place. That way, we can go back to our natural state, being loved, being nurtured, and being safe.